Freeze panes option is used to keep rows and columns visible while scrolling through the worksheet. Let's see how to do it. Select the cell below the rows and write to the columns which you want to freeze. For example, to freeze first 2 rows, select cell in the 3rd row. To freeze first 2 columns, select cell in the 3rd column. Click on View tab present on the ribbon. Select Freeze Panes command. Choose Freeze Panes. Now, selected rows and columns are visible while scrolling through the worksheet. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers